Hey y'all, it's your girl Dorasia and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be doing a scalp detox because my hair really needs it. My scalp gets really dry, as you can see, and I got dandruff and all the things, it needs a detox. So our ingredients for today will be baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and aloe vera gel. We're gonna do this real quick, real easy, real simple. It's not gonna be a prolonged process at all. First, I'm gonna start by putting my baking soda into a container. I wanna put enough baking soda because I do want it to be a paste so I can apply it to my scalp and then massage it in and do all that great stuff. So I'm gonna add some water to this. There we go. It's giving paste. It's giving paste a little bit. It's a little too much water if you ask me. So I'm gonna add some more baking soda. And what I'm going to do, I'm here thinking about the application method. I'm gonna wet my hair first, right? I'm not gonna band it or anything. And then I'll apply the baking soda to my scalp. And then I'm gonna massage it in with my scalp massager. And then I'll wash it out and then we'll go from there. All right, so the hair is wet. I wet more of my roots than the shaft. How am I gonna apply this? So I'm gonna massage it in and I'm gonna leave it in for about 3 minutes. And then we're gonna wash it out. And then we're gonna go in with the apple cider vinegar. You do not want to apply apple cider vinegar to your scalp while the baking soda is on your scalp. Please do not do that because it causes a simple chemical reaction when you add vinegar to baking soda, which is cool and all, but we don't want that on our scalp. I just washed out all the baking soda. Hopefully I got it on. And then now I'm going to apply the apple cider vinegar via spray bottle diluted by water. Just make sure there's no reaction. I think we good. Uh-oh, I hear some sizzling. Oh, I missed some baking soda. Well, this will let you know if you missed any. Clamp it up, leave that in for a bit. Then I'm gonna wash it out. And then we're gonna go in with the aloe vera gel on my scalp. Make it feel good. Bow, bow. Make it feel good. Bow, bow. I'm back, just washed out the apple cider vinegar mix. And let's take a look at my scalp, shall we? It's giving squeaky clean to me. First off, let's appreciate the curls they're giving. Let us go in with, I'm thinking aloe vera, but I'm not quite sure anymore. All right, let's try. I will say that felt really nice. Here's my scalp after baking soda, after apple cider vinegar, and then a little aloe vera gel as a type of moisturizer on my scalp. It feels really good. It feels nice and fresh, to be honest. And yeah, I'll put some of my Frenchie hair oil, well, it's hair and body oil. I'm definitely gonna put some in my hair so we can get some smell good going on. Do you know what I mean? Whoa. And this is just going on my hair, not on my scalp. Love that for me. She's revived. She's alive. Period. If you're watching this, go detox your scalp. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. She's a clean girl now. But it was itchy, it was dry, it was flaky with dandruff and all that, and it just wasn't cute. She needed a refresh, and here she is. So happy I still have all my hair on my head, and so happy that my scalp isn't burnt off. Only because you never know what can happen when you're putting stuff in your scalp, right? I don't think I've ever put baking soda in my hair. Wait, that's a lie. Definitely put baking soda in my hair before, but it was in my hair, not in my scalp. So there's a difference. That was an interesting story. I'll go ahead and I'll leave that video at the end so y'all can watch that when I had my little, green hair, accidental green hair situation. Yeah, that was interesting. But anyways, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time. Okay, peace.